90% of car owners are quietly burning thousands of dollars every single year on car cleaning, maintenance, and repairs they never actually needed. And the craziest part? Most of these expenses could be avoided with ridiculously simple car hacks that take minutes to do and cost almost nothing. But here's the real problem. One of these hacks alone can literally save you thousands in long-term repair bills. And chances are, you've been ignoring it your entire life without even realizing it. That's exactly how the system is designed. These tricks are never explained, never demonstrated, and definitely never encouraged. So before you waste another dollar at a shop or dealership, I'm about to show you 15 simple car hacks nobody ever told you about. Do not skip this video, because missing even one of these could cost you serious money down the road. Let's jump straight in with hack number 15, because this one alone exposes one of the biggest myths in car care. Hack number 15, WD-40 for car scratches. You look at your car one day and suddenly notice light scratches scattered across the paint. They're not deep, but they're everywhere, on the doors, near the handles, around the trunk. And suddenly your car looks older, neglected, and worn out. You take it to a body shop, and within minutes they tell you the panel needs buffing and polishing. Their quote, anywhere from $150 to $300. Sounds reasonable, until you realize what they're not telling you. Here's the truth. Most light scratches never go past the clear coat. They're surface-level damage. And that's where WD-40 comes in. Spray a small amount onto a microfiber cloth, not directly on the paint, and gently rub the scratch in circular motions. The oils temporarily fill in the microabrasions, making the scratch virtually disappear, while also protecting exposed areas from moisture and rust. For light scratches that haven't cut through the clear coat, this works shockingly well. A $5 can of WD-40 can treat dozens of scratches across your entire car. Suddenly your paint looks cleaner, smoother, and far more uniform. And you just avoided an expensive detailing appointment. What body shops don't tell you is that many scratches are purely cosmetic and don't need immediate correction. WD-40 buys you time to assess whether a scratch actually needs professional repair or if it's just surface damage. And here's the kicker. Paint correction is a massive profit center. Convince enough people that every tiny scratch is an emergency, and the money pours in. WD-40 kills that upsell instantly, which is exactly why no one mentions it. Hack number 14, the Apple windshield hack. Your windshield has water spots, streaks, and stubborn grime that just won't come off no matter how much you scrub. Visibility gets worse at night, glare increases, and suddenly driving feels uncomfortable. A mechanic suggests professional glass treatment or new wipers, quoting $40 to $100. But here's the secret hiding in your kitchen. Cut an apple in half and rub the exposed fruit directly across your windshield. The natural malic acid in apples breaks down mineral deposits, road film, and built-up grime without harsh chemicals. Let it work for a moment, rinse with water, and dry with a microfiber cloth. One apple costs less than $1 and can clean your entire windshield multiple times. Your glass becomes crystal clear, water beads off better, and there's no chemical residue left behind. What they don't tell you is that most commercial glass cleaners are basically water mixed with mild acids, exactly what apples already contain. And here's the kicker. This works on side windows and mirrors too. You just cleaned every glass surface on your car using something you probably already had at home. Mechanics and detailers want you buying specialized products for every surface, but nature provides an alternative they'll never advertise. Hack number 13. Reset your automatic windows. Your power windows start acting weird. They won't roll up properly, they reverse randomly, or the one-touch feature suddenly stops working. You take it to the dealership, and they diagnose a failing window motor or regulator. Their quote, $250 to $600 per window. But in many cases, nothing is actually broken. The system just needs to be recalibrated. Roll the window all the way down and keep holding the button for 5 seconds after it reaches the bottom. Then roll it all the way up and hold the button up for another 5 seconds. That's it. You just reset the Windows memory and taught it where the top and bottom positions are. It takes 30 seconds and costs nothing. Suddenly everything works again. What they don't tell you is that Windows systems lose calibration after battery disconnects, jump starts, or over time. It's a software issue, not a mechanical failure. And here's the kicker. Dealerships know this reset procedure, but they'll run diagnostics and suggest part replacement first because that's where the profit is. Knowledge like this saves hundreds, which is exactly why it's never volunteered. Hack number 12, the chalk test for tire wear. You're not sure if your tires are wearing evenly or if your alignment is off. A shop recommends an alignment check for $75 to $150. But here's a test you can do yourself. Draw a thick chalk line across the tire tread. Drive forward about 10 feet and look at the wear pattern. If the chalk wears evenly, you're good. More wear in the center means overinflation. More on the edges means underinflation. Uneven side where points to alignment issues. A piece of chalk costs almost nothing, yet it gives you the same visual evidence as a computerized alignment check. And here's the kicker. Many alignment problems are actually just incorrect tire pressure. Shops make easy money convincing people they need adjustments they don't. This test exposes that instantly. Hack number 11. Silicone spray for slow seat belts. Your seat belt retracts slowly and feels sticky. The dealership tells you the entire seat belt assembly needs replacing for $150 to $300. But most of the time, the retractor mechanism is perfectly fine. Spray silicone lubricant onto a cloth and wipe down the entire belt. Then apply a small amount near the retractor housing and work the belt in and out. Suddenly it glides like new. A $6 can of silicone spray fixes a problem dealerships love charging for. And here's the kicker. Seat belts are safety items, so people rarely question the price. Fear sells. Lubrication doesn't, so it's never suggested. Before we go further, hit that like button. These are the exact tricks shops avoid talking about, and your support helps expose more of them. Hack number 10. Hidden remote window control. Your car is boiling hot after sitting in the sun. A mechanic tries to sell you remote start for $300 to $800. But many cars already let you open the windows remotely. Hold the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds, and on many vehicles, all the windows roll down automatically. Some cars use the key in the door instead. It costs nothing and cools your car instantly. And here's the kicker. The same feature often works in reverse to close the windows. Dealers don't demonstrate this because they'd rather sell upgrades than show you what you already own. Hack number 9. Lemon for foggy headlights. Your headlights are cloudy and yellow. The shop says replacement will cost $200 to $600 per headlight, but oxidation is surface damage. Rub a lemon directly on the lens, let the acid work, rinse, and dry. Your headlights clear up dramatically. Seal them with wax afterward for long-lasting results. A 50-cent lemon destroys one of the most profitable upsells in auto repair. Hack number 8. Use the recirculation button. Your AC feels weak, and a mechanic suggests a recharge. But turning on recirculation makes your system cool already cooled air instead of pulling in hot outside air. Cooling becomes 3 to 5 times faster, fuel economy improves, and your AC lasts longer. And here's the kicker. Most people don't use this button correctly, which creates unnecessary service visits. Hack number 7. Magic eraser for scuffs. Interior scuff marks don't require expensive detailing. A damp magic eraser removes surface contamination instantly. It even works on light exterior scuffs and paint transfer. A $3 sponge replaces hundreds in cleaning fees. Hack number 6. Soap and water for finding leaks. Mechanics charge diagnostics to do exactly what you can do at home. Spray soapy water on hoses and connections, start the car, and watch for bubbles. You now know exactly where the leak is, and whether it's a $5 fix or a real repair. Hack number 5. Rubber bands for phone mounts. A simple rubber band adds friction and stops phones from slipping. It also organizes cables and accessories. Free solutions beat overpriced accessories every time. Hack number 4. WD-40 on tire sidewalls. Brown, faded tires don't always need replacing. WD-40 restores color and reveals true condition. It prevents premature tire replacement, one of the biggest profit drivers in auto shops. Hack number 3. Tire shine on floor mats. Tire shine works on rubber mats, door seals, and weather stripping. Same chemicals, different labels. One bottle does everything. Hack number 2. Vinegar and water for tire cleaning. Vinegar breaks down brake dust just like expensive cleaners. It's safe, effective, and costs pennies. Hack number 1. Vodka windshield washer fluid. Washer fluid is mostly alcohol and water. Mix cheap vodka and water, adjust for temperature, and never overpay again. So how many of these did you already know? Comment below which one shocked you the most. If this video just saved you hundreds or thousands, hit subscribe for more car secrets the industry doesn't want you to know. Your wallet will thank you. Now click the next video, because there are even more tricks hiding in plain sight.